Hi, this is Dennis Hay, Technical Sales Engineer with LocknCharge, and today I'm going to talk about creating and managing fuel tower users in the LocknCharge Cloud portal. So let's jump right in. So what's a user? A user represents someone in your organization that you want to grant locker access to and want accountability and manageability for when they access a fuel tower locker. A user consists of just a name and a numeric PIN that's between 4 and 12 digits and can also include an optional RFID value. There are three main ways to create users: one by one, bulk import action through CSV upload, or integrating with an external directory service such as Active Directory, Google Workspace, or Okta over secure LDAP. For this tutorial, we're just going to discuss the first two, but documentation on integrating with external services can be found on our docs.LocknCharge.io page for more information. Manually creating a user starts by logging into your Fuel Cloud account, navigating to the Users module on the left-hand bar, and clicking Add User. Here we're going to add a user, and we'll use Peppa Pig as an example and assign her a 4 to 12-digit PIN code. This can be something the user easily identifies with, such as a student or employee ID number, or it can be random. External reference and tags are optional fields, but can be used to improve searchability. Hit save, and you've now created a new user. The bulk import process is a great tool if you are looking to create a larger set of new users at one time. First, click Bulk Actions and go to Import Users. You'll see an option to download a CSV template file. Open that in your favorite spreadsheet tool and you'll notice some pre-populated data. It's important to not manipulate or change the headers in row 1. You'll want to dump all your data points starting in row 2, following the same principles discussed earlier. I've already created a sample dataset, so I'm just going to upload this file and we're done. You'll get a feedback email in your inbox indicating if the upload was successful or that it failed with some details on what needs to be corrected. Here are a couple tips based on some common questions we've received. First, if you use pins with leading zeros, you'll want to format your columns to have a minimum of 4 digits to include the leading zero. The second is you cannot upload your user file with duplicate pin values. I like to use the conditional formatting feature to identify any duplicates before uploading. Similarly, if you have users that already exist in the system and attempt to upload a new user with the same pin value, the upload will fail. Take note of the feedback in the email that you receive and take corrective actions before uploading again. This leads me to the next topic, which is updating information for users that already exist in the system. For this, you'll want to first export your user roster. You'll get a link in your email to download the file. This CSV file will have an additional column noting their unique system identifier. Leave column 1 unchanged, but make modifications to your user data, save it, and then upload through the update user process. The last thing I'll touch on are user groups. This is an easy way to group sets of users for better organization in addition to authorizing groups instead of individual users. Think of groups as grade levels or role types such as supervisors or shifts, or by business units. You can add as many users to groups by manually adding them or including the group name in the CSV file during the bulk import process. That wraps managing users in the LocknCharge portal. If you have any further questions, please drop us an email at support@LocknCharge.com or fill out the web form on the LocknCharge.com contact page and we'll get back to you. Thanks for being a LocknCharge customer.